Chairmo Egor Local Government Council Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia don yarn say she ready gidigba to deliver their candidate, the People's Democratic Party gubernatorial candidate Asue and Ogie as the next governor and deputy governor of Edo State come September 21, 2024. The Chairmo yarned this one on Saturday, July 27, 2024 for one roadshow where members of Egor PDP and supporters joined body with the council boss to mobilize support for the PDP gubernatorial candidate. Our Tory person Oluwati Tommy C. Julius Waitanda for the roadshow report say the Egor PDP members from the 10 wards and different units gathered for the PDP Egor local government office for Oselu, where Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia and the Chairmo PDP Egor local government Chief Manfred Ekudayo come lead the supporters as them they sing and jolly past Textile Mill Road, Ogida Market for Ogida Barracks, Siloko Road, where the council boss Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for talk with the supporters. The Director General of PDP Egor local government Osifo joined body with other ogbonge persons for the roadshow.
PDP! Asue for governor! Una dey fear. Some people they carry rumor say insecurity. They say maybe we not come out come campaign. Who get Egor? PDP. Anybody wey no say he live in head for house. If he come out, can't do it in he want to. For person wey no say he not live in head for house, make he not come out. Because we, the PDP of Egor local government, we ready gidigba for this election. That be so natural. Are you no members of PDP? If you know you are PDP, raise up your hand. Egor, we know the higher crowd. Now because some people take excuse, say they get somewhere where then they go. Now I make her not reach the 5,000. But I want to thank all of you for coming out this afternoon. This morning, we have been here since 7 o'clock to show love for Asue and Ogie. Make I tell you now one thing. We go win this election. We go win this election. Make una no panic. Make una no fear. On the 21st of September, all of us go mobilize as we did so. We go mobilize our family. We go mobilize our friends. We go mobilize our street people. We go mobilize our tenants. We go even where the tenants, we go tell our landlady say and landlord make them come out. Say because the only way where Edo State go remain better pass as it be, the only solution now PDP. No, I not see the way they work for local government. Now not like them. Now like them. Now no one make it continue. And the only way where it go fit continue now when PDP win election. I know say some of una for here now get family for outside Egor local government. Now get for the other 17 local governments. Una go call una people. Una go they tell all of them. Una way get family for Obodo Ibo. Una go tell una brother say brother $10. $10, £10. May we take mobilize our people to go vote for PDP. Because those people where they diaspora, they support Asue, Igodalo, and Osarodion. The people where is sabi. Now don't see where apprentice. They show Oga work. No. Now who they show apprentice work? No. So now PDP, now we be every other political party.
For their talk with our Tory person, Chairmo PDP Egor local government Chief Manfred Ekudayo, leader of Egor legislative arm Bosede Omokaro, and other supporters come chook mouth on the reason for the roadshow and come call on other voters to join Egor local government to vote for the PDP gubernatorial candidates.
The solidarity march when we Egor today do for Asue Igodalo and Ogie. We want to tell the people of Egor local government say no other party dey go. We wan tell dem say na PDP na e dey gidigba to deliver Asue Ighodalo and Ogie for the coming election when e dey take place on the 21st of September 2024. We, Egor local government, we don ready well where we go take give our incoming governor and deputy governor 80% where they go take win. No Asue Ogie, no election. Now they get am. Now they want go Osadebe Avenue, coming to the second when they go announce the result. We want to tell people of Egor say PDP day. Where? That's why we can't put us together, me, the leaders, with Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, also chairman. So make we do this thing, make people for know. The one when we go do again, this one is more a bomb, not be that one. When we say, picking where they belle, it go come out, it go come wish us victory.
Today, we do solidarity movement for Barrister Asue Ighodalo and Barrister Ogie for the election when they come for September 21 to tell our people of Egor local government say we are 100% ready. That comes September 22nd, 2024. Dr. Asue Ighodalo and Barrister Ogie, they go announce them as the people when win the governorship election of 2024. They go announce them, say with the people of Egor, say we ready, say we not dey play, we not dey joke, we are 100% ready for the election. Come September 21. We dey tell our people say on that day, this picture no go dey there on that day. Say the logo wey go dey there that day na be umbrella. May we use this our finger take thumbprint on that day of the election. You no go see Asue for the picture that day. You no go see Barrister Ogie for the picture that day. Now umbrella now you go see for the picture of that day. We dey tell una, may una come out. Our papa, our mama, our landlord, our neighbors, may we come out for Asue and Ogie. Come September 21. Say on the 22nd of September, all way leads to Osadebe Avenue.
We get 3 major golf courses for those states. Mini Club, Golf Club, and Okomu Golf Club. So the people when they contest under PDP as government deputy, Asue and Ogie, they be golfers. So we as golfers, we come and say, this thing wey Honorable Eghe dey do today to tell the people of Egor say the PDP dey gidigba and the candidate they go vote for Egor na Asue and Ogie. Na we say make we join the fitness waka to show the people of Egor say as golfers na waka be our business and we dey fit enough. So that's why we say make we join them to solicit for Asue and Ogie. Brother, talk am with Jerry our secretary. Asue and Ogie. And for that day, September 21, you no go see Asue photo, you no go see Ogie no. Na PDP logo. Now you go see like this. And when you reach there, from front of PDP logo, so you go put your hand, your dog, okay, put am. Because as you put am, and so they go ensure say they do am when they enter government.
Today you can see the mama crowd that has come to felicitate with our mama, the mother of Egor, the lioness of Egor, is in charge of all. To support her in this movement for Asue Ighodalo for governor and Ogie for deputy. Today teachers are with me, felicitating with the honorable, our chairman, our mama, the person of Eghe Ogbemudia, to say we are ready come September 21st, 2024, to cast our vote for Asue Ighodalo. Like we have told them, Asue Ighodalo's name will not be written on that day, but it is PDP.
The PDP Egor local government yarn say campaign go continue till election end. Make una not forget say As we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ogie, TMC TV News.